Nothing. We just headed back home.
Well, what just happened?
What?
You came running out of the store.
No, my babysitter had called me and told me my daughter was pregnant.
They walked in like shoppers but ran out like bandits. 3 teenage girls on a daring spree hit multiple stores, stealing thousands in merchandise, bold and seemingly unstoppable. In just a few hours, they stuffed bags with thousands of dollars in stolen goods. But their luck ran out when they were caught red-handed in the parking lot, surrounded by stolen items and out of excuses. Here's what happened next.
What's going on?
Nothing. We just headed back home.
Well, what just happened?
What?
You came running out of the store.
No, my babysitter had called me and told me my daughter was having fever.
Your daughter's having a fever?
Yeah.
Is this your car?
No, this is her car.
Whose?
Her.
Yours?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have your license with you?
No, I don't have my license with me. First off, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. We went inside the store, sir. You really want me to be honest, sir. Like, I tried to get something out the store. But then I thought that there was like don't. She like, don't come back here. You guys can take it out. So we ended up just leaving the store.
Which store?
The store that's, over there.
Okay. So did you guys take anything?
You can even take anything?
Yeah.
No. I don't got anything.
Good. They just stole a bunch of stuff out of City Street.
Well, sounds like that's a little different, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
have your?
Personal stuff. The other one has stuff underneath.
I thought
Well, I'll have you step out there and we'll talk for a minute, okay?
I'm okay. I'm just trying to get the citation for it.
Do you have your ID with you?
What's my name? Hold on.
No, but you can look me up in the system.
Okay. What's your name?
Tanija, Tanija. I don't got nothing in my pocket.
All right.
but-
Well, while we investigate this, I'll have you step out here with me. You can just leave that there. Do you have any marijuana on you?
No, I don't got
Did you guys smoke earlier?
Earlier, before we came here, when we was at our hotel, but
Okay.
I hope I don't go to jail, because I gotta
All
go
right.
get my baby.
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs for a minute here, Tanija.
Am I going to jail?
As long as you're cool, probably not. Spread your feet out there for me.
Okay.
Thanks. Do you have any weapons?
Hello. And it wasn't 2 purses. It was only 1 purse. It wasn't. I was already concerned.
There's a whole purse full of stuff, so give me one sec.
Can we get a total for that, please? Can we get a receipt total for that stuff, please?
Well, I need her checked first. Whenever she's done. When you're done with her, will you check her?
Sir, I don't have no problem with you checking me. There's no problem with you
Okay.
checking me. I just want to get this over with.
I got you. You guys all from here?
No, I'm not even from here. I'm supposed to be driving back home so I can get my baby from my babysitter. We're from Michigan.
You're from Michigan?
We're not even from here. We was finna leave. I was gonna go back to the hotel and change my clothes that I had already brought with me.
Didn't you guys see me parked earlier over there?
No, I wasn't driving. I didn't see you park nowhere.
Is your ID in here at all?
No, but I have a picture.
Like
of
a
my
paper ID or anything?
Yeah. Are we going to jail?
Probably not.
Do you have anything on you?
No.
Shirt under here? Yeah.
Yeah, I have a shirt. But it's nothing in it.
Spread your feet apart.
Okay.
Come on out, young lady.
Like, just be honest, like, yeah.
Bring that purse with you.
Okay.
What's your name?
You said, what's my name? Hold on, let me give you the stuff that was stolen, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I didn't even have no business stealing. I could have really just bought the stuff.
So then why did you?
Huh?
Then why?
Because, sir, I wanted the office for my kid.
Okay.
Huh?
Is that the car key?
Yeah, this is her keys.
Okay.
We just.
Do you have anything else in your pockets?
No, that was just all, sir. That was just it.
How old are you?
You saw what am I?
Yeah.
I'm 19.
You're 19? Okay.
Yes, sir. I really didn't.
Come on back here. Listen, I'm gonna just have you have a seat in my car, all right? I'm not gonna put you in handcuffs, but you're not gonna be free to leave, okay?
Okay.
So this car right here for me.
Oh my God.
This one right here. What's your name, young lady?
Huh?
What's your name?
My name, Jayana.
Dayana or Jayana?
Jayana.
Jayana? Okay. Yeah. Jayana, just sit tight for me. I'm gonna close the door so I can give this back to the store, okay? There's a couple things that don't have tags on them, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
That one.
This is ours.
Okay. That one's got a tag on
This
it.
is what I saw in the one that anyway.
This thing.
That.
Yeah, most things had tags on them, but I'm gonna assume this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I seen it when they was doing it. They just got to the door before I did.
So if you can get a receipt total,
print your receipt,
and then we can work on any kind of video.
Oh, okay. Tom, I need your help.
All right, we'll be back down the way.
Okay.
Appreciate it. You know what's sad is like, I wish we got to a point where this was the most exciting thing that happens to us in a day, but it's not.
Oh, wow. I like it. This is the most exciting.
Right, for everybody here, but for us, it's like, oh, God. Like,
Rosie found the
that was, yeah. Yeah. There were some other items in there. He's like, I really should have just worn gloves. Like, probably.
Right now, who's just riding around at the
You know what, though? We actually come across that a lot more than people think.
Really?
Riding a car.
Had a guy earlier this year riding down a moped with a stolen license plate. Had a inserted, yeah.
You say insert?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. I don't even know how I would approach it. I'm like,
Exactly. Is it Janaya or Jana, the owner? Jayana? Yeah. Hey, Holly, you want to come down here and search here for me real quick? Hey, ma'am, come on out for me real quick. I want to have you searched by a female officer. But before that happens, you turn around and put your hands behind your back for me. Put your hands behind your back for me. I'm going to put you in handcuffs. Doesn't mean that you're going to jail. Okay. Will you search here for me here in a second?
We really had no business doing that. It was like, I feel like it was just a dumb idea, and I never tried to do it again.
Okay. No, you're not going anywhere. She's going to search you.
Right,
You just need to turn around.
Okay?
Yes.
Spread your feet apart.
The teens were charged with felony grand theft after a full search of their vehicle uncovered even more stolen items from multiple stores within the plaza. Do you think they'll learn their lesson? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe.